Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tuna sandwich. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want one 5-ounce can of tuna, thoroughly drained, along with 2 slices of your preferred bread. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1 stalk of crisp celery, finely chopped. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the tuna mixture. Take your well-drained tuna and place it into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and your finely chopped celery. Using a fork, gently mix all these ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined and have a consistent texture. This creates the flavorful base for your sandwich. It's time to assemble your perfect tuna sandwich. Take 1 slice of bread and spread the prepared tuna mixture evenly across its surface, reaching close to the edges. Then, carefully place the second slice of bread on top. For an extra touch, you might add a crisp lettuce leaf or a slice of cheddar cheese. Finally, cut your sandwich in half, perhaps diagonally, for a classic presentation. Your delicious homemade tuna sandwich is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately for the best taste and texture. It pairs wonderfully with a crunchy side like potato chips or a tangy dill pickle. For a more complete meal, consider adding a small side salad. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick, satisfying lunch or a light dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.